The 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. The first generation of the C-Class Coupe appeared out of the blue, when the previous C-Class was facelifted in 2011, to replace the CLC-Class, a three-door hatchback Mercedes marketed as a coupe. 4 years have passed since the C-Class received a true coupe version, and the second-generation C-Class Coupe is here ahead of its announced official debut at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Internally codenamed C205, the new C-Class Coupe has grown in size quite a bit, which in theory should create a rather tasty dilemma for some customers. In short, the new C-Class Coupe should actually offer more interior space than the theoretically larger and more expensive E-Class Coupe, not to mention the fact that it will also be lighter and have a more modern interior. But until we find out more about that, what's obvious here is that the 2017 C-Class Coupe is a shrunken S-Class Coupe with styling cues taken from the C-Class Sedan, which makes it quite the sexy proposition compared to compact coupes such as the 2015 BMW 4 Series and the 2016 Audi A5. Updated May 16, 2016, Mercedes announced prices for the 2017 C300 Coupe, which is now on sale at dealers nationwide. Check the prices section to see how much it will cost you. Click past the jump to read more about the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. Exterior. Those who fell in love with the overall proportions and design motifs sported by the 2015 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe will likely get a déjà vu feeling upon seeing the 2017 C-Class Coupe. Featuring a similar profile, very similar skinny taillights and a front end that is almost identical to the sedans, the new C-Class Coupe essentially looks like a "Honey, I Shrunk the S-Class Coupe." Naturally, the model sports a number of design differences upon closer inspection, but overall it features the same sensual purity design language of its largest brother. The most notable difference is up front, since the shape of the headlights and the grille are identical to the C-Class sedan. Continuing to the side, although using the same surface treatment and similar proportions of its bigger brother, the C-Class Coupe appears more concentrated, not to mention the fact that it features a hidden B-pillar. The high belt line, the muscular shoulder line, and the sloping rear give it that sleek appearance you don't get with the sedan. Around back, the C-Class Coupe looks more like the S-Class Coupe rather than its compact sedan sibling. Both the slender taillights and the repositioning of the license plate in the bumper are carried over from the full-size coupe. The bumper, however, seems based on the C-Class sedans, featuring side vents, wide exhaust pipes, and a subtle diffuser-like piece. Interior. Although it has quasi-identical exterior dimensions, the 2016 C-Class Coupe is more cramped inside than the sedan, the main culprit for that being the sloping roof. Even so, the new model is less claustrophobic than the first generation, thanks to a longer wheelbase and better interior packaging. As far as the design and quality of its interior goes, the new C-Class Coupe follows in the footsteps of the sedan. Speaking of which, apart from the rear seats, pretty much every detail in the coupe is identical to the sedan. The coupe and sedan have a different console to accommodate the stick for manual transmissions, but all US market C-Class coupes will sport automatic transmissions anyway. All convenience features are also borrowed from the C-Class sedan. Same goes for upholstery options, materials, color combinations and all that jazz. That's excellent news if you ask me, as the C-Class sedan is stunner on the inside and arguably the fanciest option in its segment. Drivetrain. Built on the MRA modular rear architecture platform, the new model is significantly lighter than the first-generation coupe. Though Mercedes has yet to release details, I expect it to have shed up to 220 pounds, depending on the engine and trim level. This is thanks to the extensive use of aluminum and high-strength steel wherever possible, meaning that the lower weight doesn't come at the expense of passive safety. With an entirely turbocharged engine lineup with either 4, 6 or 8 cylinders, the new C-Class Coupe will also offer much lower fuel consumption than its predecessor. For the time being, Mercedes has only announced the C300 version, which uses the same turbocharged, 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder as the C300 sedan. The mill cranks out 240 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. But that's not the only unit to motivate the coupe. In Europe, both gasoline and diesel powerplants will be available, as the engine range should mirror that of the sedan and station wagon variants, except for the entry-level models, of course. Transmission-wise, the 2016 C-Class Coupe will come with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic that will be replaced in the long run by a hyper-efficient, 9-speed automatic on rear-wheel drive models. Latest rumors suggest that the US will only get the C300 Coupe, 2016 Mercedes-Benz C450 AMG Coupe and Mercedes-AMG C63 variants, almost all of them paired with different versions of the old 7-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. It is not yet clear if both the C300 and C450 AMG will get 4MATIC all-wheel drive as standard in the first year. For the first time ever, the model will also be available with an optional air suspension, Airmatic, making for an exclusive feature in this segment. Drivetrain specifications. Prices. The C-Class starts out at $42,650 for the C300 Coupe and $44,650 for the C300 Coupe 4MATIC. Opting for the Sport package will set you back an additional $1,675 and will get you AMG body styling, 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels, Sport Tune suspension, a Sport brake system, brushed aluminum pedals, and a top-stitched MB Tex upper dash trim. The night package goes for $1,975, which gives you gloss black exterior accents, 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels, and the Sport package. For an extra $550 you can have illumination for the Mercedes Star logo, and $350 will get you a spoiler on the rear decklid. Other options include 18-inch multispoke alloy wheels for $2,060, new exterior mirror housings for $200, chrome door handle inserts for $70, a roof spoiler for $300, wheel hub inserts for $20, Mercedes valve stem caps for $20, and a Mercedes license plate frame for $40. On the inside, you can opt for heated and ventilated front seats for $1,030, heated front seats for $580, memory for the front passenger seat for $430, and various cabin atomizer fragrances for $115. For options like blind spot assist, keyless go, and the Burmester Premium Surround Sound System, you'll have to opt for the $2,300 Premium 1 package. The Premium 2 package, which adds everything from Premium 1, plus things like hands-free access, power folding mirrors, command navigation with an 8.4-inch screen, voice control and 3 years of navigation updates for $4,500. Going for the Premium 3 package gets you everything from the first and second package plus additional safety features, a cabin air purification system, a cabin fragrance system, and a few other goodies for $7,400. Heads-up display will set you back an additional $990, and a Garmin Map Pilot commands an additional $625. If you would like to equip the C300 with the Airmatic suspension and Dynamic Select, you'll be asked for an extra $1,190. The Parking Assistance package goes for $1,290, while a set of wheel locks will set you back $150. Finally, you can opt for a standalone rearview camera for an extra $460. When you consider all of the available options, you could easily increase the base price of $42,650 to well over $50,000 if you decided to get your fill of available options. Options. Competition. BMW 4 Series. A direct replacement for the former 3 Series Coupe, the BMW 4 Series will be almost 3 years old when the new C-Class Coupe arrives in showrooms, but that is far from making it old-fashioned. Already available in convertible and even 5-door body styles, the 4 Series is a success story for BMW, especially since in the meantime it also introduced the first-ever M4 Coupe. Also available with a turbocharged-only engine lineup with 4- and 6-cylinder engines, the BMW Coupe will not be as good in terms of overall power and torque figures, but it does make up for that with good fuel consumption figures throughout and likely better handling than its Mercedes-Benz rival. Find out more about the BMW 4 Series here. Audi A5. Already at the end of its career, the aging Audi A5 has just entered its 8th year of production, having been originally unveiled back in 2007. With sales still going somewhat strong, it is expected that this generation may even catch the launch of the 2017 C-Class Coupe, which would make the aging A5 a rival to 2 generations of Mercedes-Benz models. Having said that, Audi has continuously updated the A5's technology to keep it mildly young, and until recently it was the only model in its segment in the US with standard all-wheel drive. Also available in 5-door and cabriolet variants, along with 2014 Audi S5 and hardcore 2014 Audi 5 Rupees versions, the smallest Audi coupe may prove to still be worthy of a comparison with the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe when it arrives. Read more about the Audi A5 here. Conclusion. With an exterior design inspired by the S-Class Coupe, an interior quasi-identical to the C-Class Sedan, and new turbocharged-only engine lineup and less weight, the 2016 C-Class Coupe should be a winner in theory, at least until BMW and Audi upgrade their compact coupes. Especially since after a few months it will also be accompanied by a C-Class convertible for the first time ever. Love it. S-Class Coupe inspired design, best interior in class, less weight. Leave it be. Pillar ruins, lateral windows, view front end almost identical with the C-Class Sedan. Updated history. Updated August 14, 2015, Mercedes unveiled the 2017 C-Class Coupe at the Pebble Beach Concours. In the US market the model will be put on sale in the spring of 2016, and will only be offered as the C300 and C304 Modich. Update the 11th of July 2015, the model has started shedding its camouflage ahead of an official unveiling at the 2015 Frankfurt Auto Show. Spy shots. July 10, 2015, Mercedes C-Class Coupe starts dropping camo. April 1, 2015, Mercedes C-Class Coupe playing in the snow.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.